What's the meaning of biome? Biome. Biome.
Biome. Biome. A biome is a major ecological community characterized by distinct plant and animal groups that have adapted to the specific environmental conditions of their region. Biomes are typically defined by their vegetation and climate types and are found throughout the world, ranging from tropical rainforests to tundras. Each biome has its unique set of species and ecological processes that make it distinct from other biomes. Understanding the various biomes on Earth is important for understanding the global distribution of biodiversity and how different ecosystems function. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting biomes and managing natural resources can help maintain the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems.